For loops in Python are what other programming languages might refer to as a for each, in that they will automatically loop through the list and assign each item into the variable name that's specified here. But what happens if I need to know the index number of where we are in this loop? Let's explore this in under 5 minutes. In my scenario here, I have a list of names, and what I want to do is I want to toggle the color here every third name. Well, the challenge is that normally with a for loop, I don't know how many times I've been through this. Now, sure, I could go ahead and declare a variable and iterate it as I go through, but that's not really the most elegant solution. It's not really the most efficient. So to do this, what I can do is I can utilize a little command called enumerate. And what enumerate will do is it will actually give me back two different pieces of data as we loop through this list, as we loop through this iterable. It's going to give me first the index number, and then it's going to give me the actual value. So if I update this to now say for index comma name, and that's now going to give me, again, that index and the name for each item, now I can go ahead and add in my bit of logic. So I'll say if index is divisible by 3, then we'll go ahead and toggle color. And now we're going to see that I'll get that nice little toggling effect. So let me bring up a terminal window here. Let's go in and keep the code on the screen so we can see this. And now let me run, make sure to save the file, Python app.py. And now I'm going to notice that toggling of the color on each third name inside of that list. So if you need to know what the index number is of your for loop, you can utilize enumerate. That will still behave like a for loop. I still get my values here, but now I'll get that additional parameter that will give me back my index.